So yeah guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Becoming Sudeep. Today we're gonna solve our DSA question number 6. So just avoid the background. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's start solving with the quote for the day. So yeah, everything comes to us that belongs to us if we create the capacity to receive it. So yeah guys, this is a very famous quote by Rabindranath Tagore ji. You might have heard his name. He's a very famous poet, poetic reader. Okay. So without wasting any time, let's get to the question. So yeah, this is our question for the day. Read code number 189, rotate array. So yeah, guys, okay, let's first read the question, and yeah, always keep a pen and paper ready before solving any DSA question. Yeah, guys, let's read question. What's the question is asking? Yeah, given an integer array nums, rotate the array to the right by k steps, where k is non-negative. Okay. So yeah, here nums. Let first see the examples. What is it telling? 3k is equal to 3. Okay. So rotate to the right. So yeah, 7 comes in front. Plus 6 comes in front. And after 5 comes, yeah, and then the final result is 0. Okay. So yeah, guys, here our num array is given. We have to just shift the right element by k steps. The k value will be given. And yeah, the k is not negative. Just make an approach. I'm sorry, wait. So yeah, let's code then. So we first assign a nonce the array length to n. Here we will take a k modulus so that this will help us in avoiding it to traverse to extra part of the array. And thereafter we will be running a loop. We start from 0 to k, and thereafter we will assign the final element, and the element present in the end to last variable, so that it will help us in avoiding overlapping during the traversing of the inner loop. And the inner loop we will make sure to run it from in a reverse way from the end to start. So this will also help us in avoiding the overlapping. So yeah, in this the inner loop will run from n minus 1 to 0, j decrement by 1, and it will shift the elements to the right by 1. And finally we will assign the last element to the first position of the array. Finally run the code. Let's see what's the. So yeah, our both the cases are passed. So yeah guys, this is basically a brute force approach. Here our time complexity will be n into not n. Here we are using k up to kth. The outer loop is using kth, and the inner loop is using n times. So n into k, and the space complexity will be constant. So yeah, next we're gonna solve it in a more optimized way using 3 reversal. So yeah, let's first assign the other than to n. Here will remain k modulus in order to avoid the extra traversal, and we will reverse the nums array from 0 to n minus 1. We will do basically 3 reversal. First we have to reverse the whole the whole array, and thereafter we will be reversing it from 0 up to k. We have to reverse that, and thereafter up to from k plus 1 up to n minus 1. Thereafter we will reverse that, and then we will get the final output. And we are going to reverse 0 from 0 to k, and lastly the final loop nums from k plus 1 n minus 1. Yeah, we'll make a reverse function for that. Private void reverse nums array. We'll make two pointers, left and right pointer. So while our right is greater than left, we'll run this loop, and here we will be swapping. Here we will be swapping for that reverse function. We will be making a temporary array for storing the nums left element, and thereafter we will store the right elements of nums in the left, and finally put the temporary value in the nums right element, and finally we will increase the left by 1 and the right by, in order to update their positions. So yeah, let's return just run and see. Wrong answer. Okay, so 4 4 5 4 6. Something maybe 8 plus 9. I think here we will be using chapter k. Here after k minus 1. Let's just see, because we have to run up to kth elements. Yeah, so our test cases is passed. So yeah, this was very small issue we have solved, and this is basically a three reversal approach. Here our time complexity will be of n, and our space complexity will remain constant 1. So yeah, let's finally submit this code. So yeah, it is submitted. So yeah. So yeah, guys, that's all for the day. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.